If you need to delete a contact in SurveyMonkey, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. It only takes a minute, and once you know where to go, you can remove unwanted contacts with just a few clicks. Whether you're cleaning up an old list, removing duplicates, or getting rid of outdated entries, this guide will help you do it safely and correctly. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon or profile name. Click on it to open the account menu. This menu is where you can access different areas of your account, including your contacts. From the drop-down, click on Contacts. This will take you to your SurveyMonkey address book, where all of your saved contacts are stored. If you manage surveys or mailing lists regularly, this is where you'll find people you've added before. Now you'll want to locate the specific contact you want to delete. You may need to scroll through the list or use any available search options if you have a large contact list. Once you find the contact, click to select it. Selecting the contact is important because SurveyMonkey needs to know exactly which entry you want to remove. After the contact is highlighted or opened, look for the option that says Delete Permanently. This is the action that will remove the contact from your account completely, so make sure you're deleting the correct person before continuing. When you click Delete Permanently, SurveyMonkey will ask you to confirm your choice. This confirmation step is there to prevent accidental deletions. To finish the process, click OK. After that, the contact will be permanently deleted from your SurveyMonkey contacts list, and that's it. You've now deleted the contact in SurveyMonkey. It's a simple process, but it's always a good idea to double check the contact before confirming, especially if you manage important survey lists or campaign data. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.